three types of muscles are voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and cardiac muscles. So children, let us start with voluntary muscles. As we say voluntary, we understand that we are volunteering it, means we are doing by thinking it. So these are under our control and they are attached to the skeleton, thus they are called as skeletal muscles. So this is the structure of a voluntary muscles. Now there is no need for you to study the structure in the higher classes. You will be studying more about the structure of the various muscles. Now you have to study only the definitions. So voluntary muscles are those muscles which are under our control and they are attached to the skeletal. That is why they are called as skeleton muscles. These muscles work whenever we want. Like I am moving this pen. Suppose I am moving this pen. So it is under my control. This palm is under my control. So these are the example of voluntary muscles. They are found in our hands and legs. So children, voluntary muscles were under our control. So we can move it as we want. We can move it whenever we want. So this is about voluntary muscle. Now let us come to the involuntary muscles. The word itself tells that these are not under our control. We are not volunteering. Means these muscles are not under our control. They are found on the walls of the digestive system. They are found on the walls of the digestive system, the blood vessels, or we can say that they are found in the walls of the hollow organs. Hollow means empty. Empty organs. You can understand hollow means, suppose this is a vessels. So hollow, these are empty places. So here these kind of muscles are found. So they are found on the walls of the hollow organs including stomach, intestine. These muscles controls the movement of food. I have already shown before a picture of intestine, how the food is traveling like this. Food is traveling or the blood vessels in which the blood are moving forward, or the movement of blood is due to the muscles contract and then relax. Due to this movement the blood is moving. So muscles control the movement of food or flow of blood in the blood vessels. They are called as smooth muscles. You can see the structure of smooth muscles or involuntary muscles. Okay, they have no bands. Structures we will not discuss. We will discuss only about the definition. Okay, so later we will study about the structure. So you can see only remember the diagram of a voluntary muscle. So it looks something like smooth muscles. So what did you understand about involuntary muscles? That they are found in the hollow organs like that of in the walls of the stomach, in the intestine, and these control the flow of blood or the movement of food, children. Okay, so children, proceeding to the cardiac muscles. So students, most of the time you hear that the person is suffering from or person suffered and died with cardiac arrest. So cardiac is related to the heart. Okay children, so these cardiac muscles are found in the heart. They are found in the heart. Okay, they are involuntary muscles, means we are not these are not depending upon our thought. Okay, that we want, whenever we want our heart will beat, or when we want that it may stop beating, it will stop. They keep beating without needing to think about it. So these are not voluntary muscles. These are not under our control. It keeps beating without needing us to think about it. We don't think. Whether we think or not, it will keep on beating. So these are involuntary muscles. Cardiac muscles of the heart is responsible for the contraction. Contraction means like this, contraction. So cardiac muscles of heart is responsible for contraction. The action is to pump blood through the body. So the function itself of the heart is to pump the blood to different parts of our body. So cardiac muscle helps, or these are responsible for the pumping of the blood through the body. So children, as we rewind the whole video, we understand that the three types of muscles are the voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and then cardiac muscles. In the voluntary muscles, we understood that these are voluntary, means these are under our control. Coming to involuntary muscles, we understand these are not under our control, These are found in our hands because we can twist it, turn it whenever we want. So these are voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles are found in our stomach wall, in the blood with hollow organs. Okay, remember this one. Then cardiac muscles are found in our heart, and they are responsible for the contraction, or the action is to pump blood through the body. So children, hope you have understood the three types of muscles and its movement.